Are you stuck with a skill but no business? Here's how to monetize it fast. And if that's you, stop scrolling. You've been sitting on a money-making skill for months, maybe years, and it's made you $0. That ends today. You're going to see exactly how to flip your hidden skill into income, even if you've never run a business in your life. Let's go. You're waking up every day to a job that drains you, while the skill that actually lights you up and motivates you sits on the back burner. You've helped your boss grow their business. You've increased their profits. You've fixed their problems. But you haven't stopped to ask, when will I build something for me? You've helped your friends, your family, your coworkers for free. How long are you going to keep giving your gift away and getting nothing back? And the wild part? There are people out there with half your ability, making twice your income just because they took action. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And you're talented and hardworking. So let me help you take that next step. It starts with a shift. Stop watching. Stop waiting. It's time to build something real. Here's the truth. Every successful business owner starts with one thing, a skill that solves a problem. That's it. There's no magic pill or secret formula. If you can save someone time, make them money, remove their frustration, or help them feel more confident, you already have something people will pay for. I've seen people go years working jobs they hate, all while their real skill sits unused. One guy helped was fixing people's resumes for free on the side. Meanwhile, he's stressed about bills and feeling stuck in customer service. We turned that into a $300 a month side hustle in less than 2 weeks, just by packaging what he was already doing. The problem isn't your skill, it's your strategy. Let's break it down. Here's how to turn your skills into income fast. Step 1, identify the skills people already ask you for. What do friends or family always come to you for help with? That's a clue. If people already trust you to help with something, you've got a skill worth monetizing. Step 2, turn that skill into a simple offer. Don't overthink this. Can you help someone get from A to B? That's all a business is. Maybe you help people eat better, organize their finances, write content, or land freelance work. Whatever it is, focus on the results they want. Package your skill into a simple, clear offer. Quit trying to overthink this or make it complicated. Remember, keep it simple. It also doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to happen. Get super specific on who needs it the most. Remember, because pain equals profit. Break down who your customer is. Who could benefit the most from your skills right now? That is your target customer and who you should focus on. Step 3. Lastly, use my free 30-day plan to package and sell it. Inside the free plan, I walk you through how to choose your niche, outline your offer, set up a payment page, and start selling. Using free tools like System.io to set up a full sales funnel in under an hour. Yes, even if you're not tech savvy. Most people spend months stuck in research mode. That's a trap. Again, you don't need a perfect plan. You need a proven one. That's why I mapped out the exact launch strategy people are using right now to get paid for what they already know. And you can start using it today. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from skill. And that's a huge advantage. This isn't about being an influencer. It's about being valuable. And this isn't just a bunch of theories jammed together to get you motivated. This is step by step. In 30 days, you'll know exactly what to sell, who to sell it to, and how to launch your first offer. There's no fluff. There's no gatekeeping, just real results. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need a big audience. You need direction. Getting the free 30-day launch plan? Simple. Just check out the comments below. The links are in the description. And let's start building your business today. We both know if you don't, you'll still be watching videos like this a year from now instead of building your business. If you're tired of wasting your skills and waiting for the perfect time, this is your sign. Like and subscribe for more real practical content to help you build your business fast. And don't forget to grab your 30-day launch plan right now. In the next video, I'll show you how to launch your business even if you don't have any money. Don't miss it.